All right, Mike went ahead and pulled this out of the backyard, and this is the front suspension of what used to be the 66 Chevelle convertible, but as you can see, the frame was so badly rusted that we basically had to chop it off. But, you know, here's a good example. Always save what you can so you can see how they did it from the factory. And there's a lot of good insight here on suspension components. So as I go to put the frame together on this, we're still going to use some stuff. I mean, we sandblasted the motor mounts and we got those on there. You can see I started to do the fuel line and brake lines. Now we're going to put disc brakes on this, so and power disc brakes. So we'll make it a little safer. I think that's always a good addition to these cars. And then Mike went ahead and bought these, which are fully assembled, and you can put them right on there. So that's pretty cool. Saved me a lot of trouble of dealing with all those springs and whatnot, and it's nicely color coded and all that stuff. So I'm waiting for him to bring back some seals here, brand new axle seals. And I've gone ahead and pulled the pin back here, taken out the C-clips and pulled the axles out. So yeah, we're coming right along on this project, and yeah, it's fun to make progress. So I don't know what I'm going to tackle next, but probably take apart some of the suspension over there. I know there's a bunch of videos on how to do this, but I've got this set up in here to push this bushing into this rear end, and I've just got a simple threaded rod with the right appropriate pieces here. So right now I've got a practice bushing in here. I'm going to take that out. I've got the actual bushing setting in the freezer. So I'm going to take this off real quick. All right, just so you can see my fixture. There's the bushing. I've got this set up so it can catch it into this. And yeah, we're going to get this in here and see if we can drive her home. So I've got this lightly oiled. I've got it sanded out. And hopefully this will pull right in there. So hang on. So it's nice and cool. It's sitting in the freezer, and hopefully it'll slide right in there, and we'll put it all together. Oh, easy peasy. Oh. Some washers. I've got a bearing on there to spin. Hopefully I've got this lined up so it'll catch. All right, got the tool here. All right, so that went in pretty good there, and you basically push it in till you hit the ledge, and yeah, then you're all set. So I'm gonna back this out now. All right, now we're gonna do it on the reverse side. So I'm gonna put my fixture in here again. It's got a big pocket to catch this bushing that we're putting in. I'm gonna go over to the freezer and get my other bushing. You can hammer these things in, but man, I feel like that's such a stress on this ear. So I'd rather pull it in gently like this. So we got that. Got my outer fixture here, and then Got a bearing, and then we got the nut. And we'll tighten this up. I'm trying to hold it in place so that it goes in easy. And then we'll drive her home. Here we go. All right, you get it to the ledge there, and you're all set. So they both went in really smooth. Really super happy. Got to thank Rick Hurling for, I mean, a lot of the tools we use out here are Rick's tools that he used to use in his shop, and really appreciate him. Even to this day, even though he's passed away, he's still in our memories every day. Because we're using his tools to make these beautiful Chevelles. All right, do a little close up on, you can see these are pulled in, and you see that ledge right there that it's pulled into. And here's the other side. So yeah, we're ready to get this rear end into the car now. But I need some trailing arms. I don't have any trailing arms. I've been looking all over. We might have to buy some. Hey, Mark Meldrum, Meldrum's Monster Garage, and we're out here tuning the 1970 SS Chevelle. We finally got everything kind of worked out, so it's time to kind of put a final tune on this. Got the reverse lights working this morning, and just fixing up a little this and that here. So I've got the car pretty much fully warmed up. I think it is. Let's double check the temperature here. Let's see where we're setting. All right, I don't know, where are we at? About 200 degrees or so. And I think we're at 750 RPM, but let's check at actual digital meter here. So, pardon me as I go around here. So, there we got the engine running. And it's bouncing around. Maybe set the RPM just a little bit higher. I don't know if you can see this, but the timing is set at maybe 4 or 6 degrees, somewhere down there. I'm sure the camera doesn't allow you to see that. And then the dwell, let's see where we're at here. We're at 32. So she's sounding pretty good. Got the timing set up nice. Sounding pretty nice. So I think I'm gonna let well enough alone. One thing Larry always has me do is he has me shut it off and then see if it starts right back up with the way we got the timing set. So we'll see if that happens. All right, had to fiddle. I got that reverse light just right on the ragged edge, but let's see if she starts up. Oh yeah. Well, gotta give it a little bit of gas, I guess. There we go. Boy, she feels smooth in the accelerator pedal. You can see it pops right up there as far as RPM goes. There we go. Feeling pretty good. So we got to get a front end alignment on this, but I just wanted to show you that we got her really tuned now. So Mark Meldrum, Meldrum's Monster Garage. See ya. Mark Meldrum, Meldrum's Monster Garage. See ya. See that little flapper door's working too. Excellent.